Today, we'll see how a special technology used to store your digital identity is revolutionizing the way we interact with the world. I'm talking about radio frequency identification chips, the tiny microchips used in proximity cards that identify people by holding the card near a reader. RFID chips are now being used in all kinds of ways, in credit cards to make purchasing easier, in passports to help identify counterfeits, in race bibs to record finishing times, in vehicles to charge tolls without a car even stopping, and even in car keys. And what if I told you some foods are embedded with a tiny, edible RFID chip that can tell you the nutritional value before you eat it? In a world where time is precious, you can begin to appreciate the value of RFID technology. At LINGO, we help you understand that technology is a language that you can learn and that you can use for all sorts of fun and exciting projects that apply to the real world. There is also a different side to RFID chips. As with any personally held data, these chips come with a risk that the data on them, and possibly your identity, will be copied or used without your permission. For example, if safeguards weren't put in place by credit card companies to protect their RFID chips, you could theoretically get your pocket picked without even being touched. The information in passport chips is also encrypted, so only authenticated readers can access them. In addition, most passport covers block RFID signals, so they can only be read if they are open. Now, what if you have an RFID chip that isn't encrypted, like this one? You can protect it by surrounding it with a couple layers of aluminum foil. But if you prefer something fancier, there's actually a multi-million-dollar industry for products that prevent RFID skimming, like this sleeve. For this project, I'm going to show you how to build an RFID system that will help identify documents, such as a passport,